Hello guys, you use smartphone Xiaomi Mi Play. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Open box. Global version in blue color. Okay. Open box. In completation we have key for SIM slot, protected back cover, and instructions. Okay. Device. And in completation we have micro USB cable and adapter for charging. Okay, that's all. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side display. Display 5.8 inch. On the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume case. Upside headphone jack. Downside microphone, speaker and USB types, micro USB port. Okay. Look, Android version. About phone, MIUI Global 10.2, version Android 8.1.0. Resolution Full HD, this IPS Matrix display. Oppo Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU MediaTek Helio P35. This is octa-core processor 4+4 cores, 1.8 and 2.3 GHz CPU speed. GPU PowerWare GE 8320. Resolution and display PPA. Look at results. Okay, we don't have results. Geekbench 4 doesn't work. Open next test. Antutu benchmark. Antutu score. Test functions. Display support 10 touches. Okay, good. And now talk the one game PUBG Mobile and look how the game works on the device. Okay, let's see gameplay. Game load. Graphic level max for this device. And works good. Without lags and glitches. Normal gameplay. Okay, close this game and open next test, camera test. Main camera 12 plus 2 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.